architectural shingles are also asphalt shingles, so there's asphalt in the making of them, but what people typically are referring to when they just say architectural or asphalt is the older style, what people call 3-tab shingles. So they're asphalt shingles, and they call them 3 tabs because literally you have 3 of these rectangular pieces in every tab, and it's flat, less rise. It basically doesn't have any type of architectural look to it. People used to refer to those as 20 or 25 year shingles as well, and so it used to be one of the least expensive ways to put a roof system on. Now they never lasted a long time. The major manufacturers have really moved away from those shingles. They're actually becoming more expensive than the architectural ones that are meant to last a lifetime, and I think that's because it doesn't probably make sense to produce them, and so more and more we'll see those going away. So your architectural shingles, people might refer to them as timberline, but it's more of that, for lack of a better comparison, more of a wood shake look. So instead of just the flat 3 tabs, the architectural shingles will have dimensions and color blends and shadow lines, and it's more broken up look, and so aesthetically it's more pleasing, but also there's more asphalt, there's more shingle there, and so you can get really good lifetime systems with the architectural shingles where you can't with just the standard 3 tabs or what used to be the old 20-year shingles. In some ways, some of the system components are going to be a little bit different and more specific to the architectural systems. Specifically, they'll have a starter strip, and they'll have hip and ridge shingles that are made for those architectural systems, where your 3-tab standard 20-year systems may very well just use those 3 tabs across the board on the system. And the manufacturers do that purposefully so that they can offer those higher warranties or those longer warranties on the architectural systems. They make products specifically for the different areas of your roof that you're going to encounter, because if they make those products for the system and you're using their products, then they can warranty the whole thing for a lifetime, and if you use other components, it'll void the warranty.